Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna be eating this raw egg with this. Just some buffalo sauce, and hopefully it tastes pretty good. I think I'm gonna crack this into the bowl, eat it up, and then I'm gonna somehow eat the shell too, I think. I'm gonna try. Alright. I think I'll put a few shells in there. Oh, that hurt. Make it extra good. Alright. I think that'll be good for now. Alright. Top it off with some, well, can't really see that. But top that baby off with some hot sauce and get going. Shake this up. It's not that hot, but I mean, well, it's pretty hot, I guess. Hopefully it'll be good. Oh yeah, yum. This is gonna be really gross. Alright. Egg on it. I think I'll break the yolk first. Mix it up a little bit. This is absolutely disgusting. Here goes nothing. Wow. That bad. Wow. Way worse than I thought it'd be, but oh my god. That is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do this. Okay, I need to quit. Oh. Oh, that is disgusting. Absolutely terrible. Raw egg is absolutely disgusting. And the hot sauce does not help at all. It's not hot, but it just does not taste good. Guys, I don't think I can do this. Sorry. That is disgusting. Absolutely most disgusting thing I've ever done or tasted.